Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable 120 Hz refresh rate on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Inside Accessibility, under the Vision section, tap on Motion. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen. You will see an option called Limit Frame Rate. Here's the important part. If the limit frame rate toggle is turned on and appears green, your iPhone is locked to 60 Hz. This means your display will feel less smooth. If you want to use the full 120 Hz ProMotion refresh rate, this toggle must be turned off, meaning it should appear gray. When the toggle is off, your iPhone unlocks ProMotion and allows the display to dynamically scale up to 120 Hz when needed. And that's it. So that's basically how you can enable or disable 120 Hz refresh rate on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.